Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the best AI-powered studying application called Traverse AI. It is one of the best AI-powered studying applications out there, and it's changing the way students and lifelong learners organize and retain information. So, what makes Traverse AI so powerful? First, it's built around visual note-taking and mind mapping. Instead of messy pages of notes, you can create clean connected visuals that actually show how concepts relate to each other. It's perfect for subjects that require deep understanding, like science, math, or languages. Traverse AI uses spaced repetition powered by artificial intelligence. That means the application learns what you know and what you're struggling with. Then it creates personalized review sessions to help you remember things long term, which means no more cramming. If you ask me for our standout features, I can easily say it's linked flashcards. You can turn your visual mind maps into smart flashcards instantly. And since they're connected to your notes, you can always have a full context behind every term or idea. It also integrates with resources like PDFs, articles, and lecture notes, so you can import content, map it visually, and start learning right away. Whether you're in school, studying for exams, or learning a new skill, Traverse AI makes studying more intuitive, efficient, and personalized. Try it out and let your brain study smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning tools and tech reviews. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.